Hello everybody, we are going to update to ERlang OTP 27. The prerequisite for this video is to have ERlang 26 installed. There is a video on how to install ERlang 26 on Windows 11 on this channel. Please look for it. And here we are checking that we indeed have ERlang OTP 26 installed. Now, in the website, in the install section, download the Windows installer, 64 bits, you know, and double click to execute the installer. We haven't changed anything. We haven't uninstalled Erlang 26. Please leave these checkboxes as they are. Please, in here, this is important. That this new installation will override the previous installation, so please don't move anything. Click on install here to proceed with the installation. And in here, the process is progressing, as you can see. Now let's check the environment variables. We haven't edited these variables at all. We didn't move anything. So environment variables, and on the path variable, you see that we have Erlang OTP, the second row, still in there. Now we are going to execute the same command, ERL, to see that we have now Erlang 27 installed. Thank you very much. Bye.